Hello everyone. So today we will talk about the distance formula. So what is distance formula? The distance between 2 points, whether or not they are aligned horizontally or vertically, can be determined using the distance formula. So we have here the formula of distance. It is denoted as d is equal to the square root of the quantity of x sub 2 minus x sub 1 all squared plus the quantity of y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all squared, or this one, referring to this graph. Okay, so yan yung ito yung formula ng distance. So this distance formula is very important also in dealing with circles, kasi magagamit natin to siya later on. Okay, we have an example here. Ito, halimbawa, find the distance between P13 and Q711. To find the distance between P and Q, the following procedures can be obtained. So this one, you can name this as x sub 1, y sub 1. This one, you can name this as y sub 2 or y sub 2. Or, it could be interchange. Pwede kung halimbawa, ito, gusto mo ito yung x sub 2 mo, y sub 2, pwede rin. Ito yung x sub 1 mo, y sub 1. So, depende sa inyo. So, pwede yun sila mag-interchange. Depende kung ano yung point of reference mo. Okay? So, we have here the solution. Substitute. All you have to do is just substitute the corresponding values of the formula. Okay? So, i-substitute lang. Halimbawa, itong sundin natin sa baba. So, x sub 2 natin is 7 square root of 7 minus 1 all squared plus y sub 2 is 11 minus 3 all squared. So that is 6 square root of 6 squared plus this is 8 squared. So that is 636 square root of 36 plus 64, and that is square root of 100. So square root of 100 is equal to 10. So PQ is equal to 10. How about if we're going to interchange yung point natin, no? Ito yung magiging x sub 2 natin, y sub 2. Tingnan natin kung the same lang yung kanilang sagot. Let's try. Okay, so we have x sub 2 natin is 1. Interchange lang natin na 1 minus 7 all squared. Tingnan natin kung magbabago ba yung sagot. Plus 3 minus 11 all squared. So, we have, as you notice, magiging negative, diba? So, negative 6 squared plus negative 8 squared. But since it is raised to the second power, magiging positive pa rin siya. So we have 36 plus 64. So ganun pa rin siya. So hindi maapektuhan yung solution nyo whether kung ito yung x sub 1 mo or ito ba yung x sub 1 mo or ito ba yung y sub 1 mo, yun naman yung y sub 2 mo. So hindi magbabago yung sagot. So, okay lang din magkapalitan yung position ng iyong x sub 1, x sub 2, y sub 1, y sub 2. Okay? So, we're done with this one sa ating distance formula. Let's proceed with the other formula, which is the midpoint. Let's look at midpoint formula. So, if we have 2 points, let's say L and N, are the endpoints of a segment and M is the midpoint, then this is the coordinates of our midpoint. So, this is the formula for the midpoint. Ang gagawin lang ninyo, i-add lang yung x sub 1 plus x sub 2, then divide nyo sa 2. Diba? Para, diba, pag gusto nyo kunin ang gitna, ang gagawin kasi ninyo dyan, diba, i-divide nyo sa 2. So, ganon. So, ito yung formula natin. So, example, the coordinates of the endpoints of LG are negative 3, negative 2, and 9, 8, 9 respectively. What are the coordinates of its midpoint? So, ganito lang. Midpoint natin is, our midpoint is equal to our x sub 1. Halimbawa, ito yung x sub 1 natin. X sub 2. So, negative 3 plus 8 over 2. Isa naman is negative 2 plus 9 over 2. So, magiging, this one is 5 over 2. And, isa naman is 7 over 2. So, this is the coordinate. Ito yung coordinate ng ating midpoint. So, ganun na kasimple yung midpoint. Actually, ganun lang yung kasimple.